Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Sarah, and today I have what I'm calling my vacation stitch fix. If you'd like to see what I've got, keep on watching. Okay, so after my last stitch fix, which I was a little bit disappointed in, I kind of sent it back and immediately requested a new box. And basically the theme was like, I'm going to Hawaii, comfy clothes, no jean shorts, no shoes, just easy stuff. I don't know if I have a new stylist, so we will see. But yeah, again, I was very discouraged, but I knew that I wanted to do it again because things like that happen. So if you're new here and you're unfamiliar with Stitch Fix, it's a $20 subscription service that provides 5 articles of clothing sent to you. You leave a note for your stylist about what kind of items you want. You can link your Pinterest board and things like that to give them more ideas. So yeah, and that $20, did I say 25 or 20? It's $20 styling fee can be credited towards what you decide to keep. And if you keep all 5 items, you get a generous discount. If you are interested in Stitch Fix or have any questions, go ahead and read the subscription box down below and ask any questions. So this was gonna be my Hawaii Stitch Fix box. So let's see what is in here. I'm actually really excited, even though like I was a little bit disappointed. I'm still always excited to get another box and see what they picked out. Again, enclosed is the mailer to send everything back through the United States Postal Service. And if you're new to my unboxings, what I do is I unbox everything, give my first impressions, tell you exactly what the item is, how much it is. I put all that information down below, and then I try it on and kind of give you an idea of what I really think of it now that it's on. At the bottom of all of the listings, I put a little asterisk and let you know what I decided to keep or exchange. Yeah, and so if you are a Stitch Fix customer and you see something that you like, even though I may not like it or may not look good on you, it doesn't mean that it's not going to look great on you. So again, take that with a grain of salt. We all have different bodies, different styles. So if I like something and you don't, you do you. And if I hate something and you love it, girl, rock it. I mean, that's just the way that clothing goes. So we're all different shapes, sizes, ages, different styles. So so I don't know, this person is Cass. I don't know if it's Cassandra still. So maybe someone new. And it says, "Hi Sarah, it's a pleasure style for you today. And I'm so sorry your last fix didn't work out. I've taken some extra time to review your comments, past fixes, and Pinterest, and I've created a super cute fix today that I hope you'll find perfect to accompany you on your trip to Hawaii. I've kept all the styles easy to wear, fun and versatile enough to wear during the day, but also dress up for dinner. I noticed you pinned the Q&A blouse, so I just had to send this glam piece for you. I've also sized it up since it can run a bit small, and I didn't want it to be too snug in the chest," which I'm really glad that she had mentioned because that has been my issue. There's a strappy sandal she said I could put it in, and a maxi. So yeah, feel a little different ideas. So again, it is a smaller Stitch Fix baby because I did ask for only clothing. I didn't ask for any shoes. So let's see what's in here. Ooh, this is really pretty. I'm really into this color that I'm about to show you. And this is the Q&A. This is the one that she had talked that I had pinned. Ashley off the shoulder blouse, and it retails for $54. And this is actually really, really cute. I really like it. Although it's maybe not something that I would like totally think about wearing. Like I was thinking in this box, this could be so cute with a pair of jean shorts and a cute sandal for just like going out to a casual dinner. So this is exactly kind of the piece that I was thinking about. So again, I'm really into that color too. Next up is this Kaileigh Carlee embroidered detail knit top. Pretty cute. It's okay. This is really not really my style, and I would have to wear a strapless bra with it. I hate wearing strapless bras, but I don't really have to on such like casual throw on stuff. This is a dress, and this is a Loveappella Torri knit max dress. I don't know if I said the price is $54. The gray shirt is $28, and this is $78. And I'm just not a big floral person. It has this crochet detail. It cinches in at the waist, and it's long. So first impressions, I don't love this. I'm just not a big fan of florals, and dresses particularly. I feel like, I don't know, I just don't love them. But we're gonna keep on trekking. These are Sadie and Sage Mimi short, and they're $34. That's kind of cute to throw on with like a white tank for just like going around. Super cute. You don't usually wear shorts like that, but you never know. And the last one is a cut from the Kloth Hanna Drawstring linen short, and these are $58. These look too long, but who knows. I don't love these. I've been finding that I don't really love the brand cut from the Kloth, but it doesn't really fit me that well. So we will see about that. So overall, I think it's some good pieces. I'm not like, oh my gosh, I love them all, but I'm not like, oh, I hate them. So we'll see. I'm hoping that we'll find at least 1 or 2 pieces to keep to take on my vacation. So let's get to the try on. Okay, so this is the first shirt I have on. It's fine. Again, I don't know, nothing like amazingly special about it. It is, I like the way that it's like a little bit like loose and not over form fitting. I would kind of have to wear a strapless bra with it, so that's always just like a, for a casual shirt I'd rather wear a bra. So we'll see. Again, the fit is good though. I like the fit of it. Okay, so next we have this dress, which I kind of had a shirt I had high hopes for, and I'm not exactly sure like how flattering it actually is. It's still pretty snug in my boob area. I don't know, what do you guys think? It could be cute like tucked in a little bit. I don't know. This one's kind of hard for me to judge. So this has possibilities. I think I need to play with it around a little bit more. I guess you could also wear it like this if you wanted. I don't know how that actually looks though. So possibility. Okay, so here's this dress. One, I have to say that anytime there's like a crossover, I think it just makes me look extra busty, and I like, it's so much cleavage right there. But I don't love it, and this fit is just not. I just feel like it accentuates like my least good areas. The length is good. It's a petite, so it would be a really good length if this was something that you liked. One, is just really not my style. Like, two, I just don't think it's that flattering on me. So I love like the little sleeves. I just think that this whole area is just not working for me. They're okay. They could be cute. I rolled them up a few times because I am short-waisted, so to get them to the right like length, I'm just trying to see if I could like tuck them. So I don't know, they could be cute. I don't really have any shorts like this, so we will see. This is definitely like the pieces that I could totally wear to Hawaii and be really comfy, but I don't know how often I would actually wear them once I got back. So I don't know, we'll see what the I can't remember what the price is, but they're really, really comfy. Okay, so here's the second pair of shorts. One, it looks kind of a little funny because I'm wearing almost the same color top, but here's the shorts. I kind of have them tucked in. It's like a weird drawstring is not lined up. Again, I have to fold them over because they're a little bit too long, but surprisingly I kind of like the cut of them. They're not awful. I think out of everything I kind of liked the shorts the most. I didn't love them, but I like them. So they could totally work. I think they'd be really comfy for Hawaii. The dress was definitely a no. The gray shirt was definitely a no. The blue shirt, I think I need to try it on, maybe throw on some shorts or some jeans to see what it looks like. It's really hard to tell. When I'm wondering if it makes me look really big, I always like, my mom's coming over later, so I always like have her, like the things that I'm kind of on the fence for, I put on for her, because it really does help to have another person's opinion. So again, I'll put all the information down below if you liked any of these and want to request them from your stylist. And also I'll put a little asterisk down below and let you know what I decided to keep. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so yet, and hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.